Hey guys, welcome to Login Helps. Today I'll be showing you how to sign up for a Promo AI account online on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to sign up for a Promo AI account on your computer, first open up your preferred browser as I've already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar, click over there and type in the address promo.com and hit on enter. And after that, you'll be directed to the home page of Promo, so let's wait for it. And over here guys, in order to sign up for a Promo AI account from over here, you can see there is the try for free button available at the top right corner of the screen as well as the middle of the screen. First click on either of those buttons to continue to create your account. And over here guys, you can see this is the sign up procedure or the sign up panel of the Promo AI. And now over here you can see no credit card is required for your starting, but after you use your free period you will be required to enter your credit card and buy your subscription. And with that being said guys, until then you can also sign up for Promo AI with your Google or Facebook account. Similarly over here, this is an automatic sign up. If you click on either of these buttons, a login page to your Google or your Facebook account will open. And if you sign into your respected accounts, you will have signed up for a Promo AI account, and you'll be logged into your Promo AI account with your Google or Facebook without having to go to the manual sign up. And with that being said guys, let's enter our email address with which we will be signing up from AI account and using it on later on. And over here, let's enter our full name guys and enter your password. And over here guys, after entering your email address, your full name and your password, simply click on continue to sign up button over here. Click on that sign up button, and then on the next step you will have signed up for a Promo AI account, and a verification link will be sent to you on your mobile device or your email address, which is this one. And go to your email address, open your email, click on the verification link sent by the Promo AI. Click on that link and then your account will be verified and you can use the services of Promo AI with ease. And with that being said guys, this is how you sign up for a Promo AI account online on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.